Joe Choi, like all the others in this family, are sometimes simply referred to as Chinese cabbage. They do all in fact come originally from China. Joe Choi Chinese cabbage is a slow bolting hybrid variety of pak choi or Chinese white cabbage. Rosettes of dark green leaves and contrasting white petioles make Joe Choi a plant that is attractive on its own for its use in landscapes as well as for vegetable production. A high contrast between white and green make the plant striking in appearance. Planted in a reliably sunny spot, prefers fertile, well-drained soil and cooler temperatures. Keep soil moist, watering freely in dry weather, and fertilize regularly. Good companion plants for Joe Choi include beets, bush beans, carrots, celery, chamomile, coriander, lettuce, kale, mint, nasturtiums, onions, peas, and potatoes. Bad companion plants for Joe Choi include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, and other brassicas, are also susceptible to the same harmful insects. Having a high concentration of crops in one central location can increase attraction for these pests, so it's best to keep these crops spread out in different locations of your garden. Joe Choi has a milder flavor than mustard and is great for a quick saute or stir fry. It provides crisp, tender leaves for salads and oriental dishes. Delicious when lightly steamed or sauteed for stir fry. Superb for adding flavor to soups, stews, and casseroles. May be harvested all at once or leaf by leaf as needed. Joe Choi is an excellent source of vitamins A and C, which are antioxidants that can help protect the immune system and repair cell damage. It also contains vitamins B6, K, and E, magnesium, potassium, iron, and calcium.